Roomba Plus 505 combo hits record low price for Black Friday. The Roomba Plus 505 combo robot vacuum is currently available for $549 at Amazon, marking its lowest price ever, a savings of over $400. This deal emerges as Black Friday sales peak, offering substantial discounts on various tech products, including headphones, laptops, and drones. Why this matters? Robot vacuums have become increasingly popular as consumers seek convenient home cleaning solutions. The Roomba Plus 505 combo stands out due to its self-emptying base, which reduces manual maintenance. This model's price drop is significant because it makes advanced robotic cleaning technology more accessible to a wider audience. The discounted price undercuts previous deals, including those from October's Prime Day, suggesting limited further price reductions are expected. According to Mashable's Lee Stoddart, the device's hinged pad design has been a game changer, particularly in tight spaces like kitchens. Other notable Black Friday deals include Apple AirPods Pro 3, $219.99 was $249. Apple iPad 11, $274 was $349. Sony WH-1000 XM5 headphones, $248 was $399.99. As Black Friday deals are often time-sensitive and subject to change, the Roomba Plus 505 combo represents a prime opportunity to upgrade home cleaning without breaking the bank. The current sale price makes this a compelling purchase for those seeking efficient and automated home maintenance. It's unlikely this device will fall much lower in price.